Have you ever found yourself in a financial pinch, desperately needing quick cash? Maybe you've considered Mogo as a potential solution. But is it legit? Let's dive deep into the world of Mogo and uncover the truth. Mogo, a financial technology company, promises a quick and easy way to access cash. But is this too good to be true? We're about to find out. Today, we're going to explore Mogo from top to bottom, examining its services, fees, customer reviews, and the overall legitimacy of the company. Let's start with the basics. What exactly does Mogo offer? Well, primarily, they provide loans. But it's not your typical loan. Mogo positions itself as a more flexible and accessible option, especially for those with less than perfect credit. They offer loans ranging from a few hundred to thousands of dollars, with repayment terms tailored to suit your needs. On the surface, it sounds appealing. Who wouldn't want a quick cash injection when times are tough? But let's peel back the layers. What about the interest rates? Are they reasonable? And what about the fees? Are there hidden costs lurking in the fine print? To get a clearer picture, we need to hear from people who have actually used Mogo. What are their experiences? Were they satisfied with the service? Did they encounter any issues? We'll delve into customer reviews and testimonials to get a first-hand account of what it's like to deal with Mogo. But it's not just about the loans. Mogo also offers other financial services, such as credit monitoring and identity theft protection. Are these services worth it? Do they actually protect your financial well-being? We'll examine these offerings to see if they deliver on their promises. Of course, when it comes to finances, trust is paramount. Is Mogo a trustworthy company? What is their reputation like? Are they regulated? We'll investigate Mogo's background, looking for any red flags or concerns. And let's not forget about the alternatives. Are there other options out there that might be better suited to your financial needs? We'll compare Mogo to similar services to help you make an informed decision. So, is Mogo a legitimate company? Can you trust them with your money? By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what Mogo is all about, the pros and cons, and whether it's the right choice for you. Remember, financial decisions should never be taken lightly. Always do your own research and compare options before making a commitment. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.